Problems with the tube tire for the Interceptor 650. So for the cost of the puncture alone is roughly around $100, and for Royal Enfield, because of it is having a rear disc, they have to remove the entire tire and then they have to change the puncture. So that's something which is there, and removing the rear tire costs around 300 to 350 rupees. So all in all, around 4 to 450 rupees just for the puncture to get it done for the Interceptor 650. So Royal Enfield, if you are listening, please get tubeless tires and alloys for this. It's high time.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play.
So 130 by 80. So 130 is measured like this. The width. The thickness is 80.
But the OEM
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
So for the Interceptor, the tube which goes is 130 by 80 18, but that tube is very rare to find. So you can also put the 120 80 by 18, and this one costs roughly around 400 to 420 rupees. The tire replacement for the Interceptor 650, the tube costed around $400, and for changing this they are charging around 350 rupees. So roughly around 750 rupees. If you own an Interceptor, this is what you have to go through. And the 130 by 80 18 inch is not easily accessible, only through online, and very rare to find offline. So we have put the 120 by 80 18 inch. So that is what the tube that we have put. The reason why we have changed the tube is because the tube didn't had any puncture, but it had the fold in it. So basically the layer where the tube folds, that's where this was leaking out the air. So we had to change the tube. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is Kevin signing off, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.